it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today's video I brought a wonderful solution to all your English related problems. The major problem with all of us is that we really wants to improve our English speaking, but there is no one with whom we can practice it with, and that is the primarily reason with all of us that we are not able to improve our English language skills. So I found an amazing application known as English Conversation Practice. The main feature or attraction of this application is it will make you speak up and will help you to break the hesitation of talking in English. With this application, you can practice your English speaking skills independently, and you don't need any partner anymore to practice your speaking skills. So, first you need to download this application from App Store. You will find it both on iOS and Android phone. I will share the link in the description box and you can go there, check it out the link and you can download it from there. Now let's see how this application works. So first what we need to do, we will open the application and then you can see a number of topics are there: trip and vacation, eating related topic, family and friends, daily life related topic related to every interest are available here. There's a huge list of topics in this, you can see that. So in that, when we go, we need to open, for example, I open sport, music and event because I really like this one, and then I'll go to the art gallery. Okay, so once we will open the topic, then we get a at the top we get four options: listen, quiz, practice and record. These all the four options are going to add somehow something in your skills. You can use all the four. For example, I'll see the first one. You can see listen, the conversation is there. In this conversation you can play the conversation, you can listen to them, and you can judge how they are pronouncing the words, how they have framed the sentences. For example, I'll play the one this conversation.
I'm going to an art gallery tonight.
That's cool.
My friend, Jane, is an artist. She's displaying her work there.
I love art. I paint in my spare time.
Can you see both the people, Judge and Kathy, they are conversating in that. The next one is quiz. Quiz I found really helpful when I was preparing for my IELTS. You know, we have a listening test in IELTS. So what we need to do, we need to listen to the conversation, we need to answer some questions. So that what you can practice it with. You can just keep the phones in sideway and you can listen to the conversation and you can see the quiz, what they are asking, you try to answer them. Okay, and the next one is practice. That is my favorite one because really help in practice in speaking. We don't have to look for any partner in that. For example, these are the two persons, Judge and Kathy. So I'll choose the dialogues of Kathy and I'll want the application will speak the Judge dialogues. So let's start.
I'm going to an art gallery tonight.
That's cool.
My friend, Jane, is an artist. She's displaying her work there.
I love art. I paint in my spare time.
Really? I didn't know that. My friend is a sculptor.
Sculpting? That's fascinating. Can you see I can conversate with the app and the app is speaking the dialogue with another person, and it's really a feeling like we are talking to someone else who are helping in speaking with us. The next one is record. Whatever the conversation I did, I can record also, and after that I can listen to the recording and I can judge what the word I was pronouncing wrong, or how my accent was going wrong as compared to the app. Let's see just that also. I choose a partner, then I start
I'm
the
going to
recording.
an art gallery tonight.
That's cool.
My friend, Jane, is an artist. She's displaying her work there.
I love art. I paint in my spare time.
Really?
Okay, so I'll just start the recording and I'll save the recording, and that's I'll cool. Just see this one. Start the recording. That's cool. Can you see? In that way we can listen to the conversation. We don't have to ask anyone, judge us, like how we are speaking. And in that way we don't have the fear also that someone is looking at us, someone is able to hear what we are speaking. So that fear will take a back seat in that case, and you can practice as much I can. You can use the app when you are working, when you are doing your household chores, and just play it there, start conversating, record, play it again when you finish. So it's really helpful. Believe me, I improved a lot with the help of this application. So I believe you definitely like this video if you are really struggling with your English language speaking, and it will definitely going to help you many people who are looking for someone to practice it with. Do share the video with someone who really needs that, or use it. Share your feedback in the comment box. Are you able to improve? Are you able to appear in your IELTS after practicing with this application? On this note, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.